Dude, you wanna hear the bats?
Yeah. Ooh, that's kind of freaky.
Yeah. Whoa, did you see that bat just fly through here? I think Dracula might be in here. Oh, what am I saying? This is tunnel 2, and it said 2 right when I'm about to enter. And it said dead bodies. All right, what tunnel are we at? Trying to possess me? Who is? Whoa!
Follower.
You're a follower. In case you missed the introductions, I didn't put this down. In case you missed the introduction. Hey, welcome to Day and Night. Hey, tonight's episode, there's a little story behind this. I would say a little over a year ago, before I posted any investigations, I went out with my brother to the Hoover Dam railroad tunnels. And I'd been there a long time ago with buddies, just kind of exploring around, and it was so creepy and scary that I've always thought about these tunnels and figured how haunted they must be or how scary they would be. And then I've learned about the Hoover Dam. 96 people died in the construction of the Hoover Dam, and that's 96 people they know about. And then, as you know, all the hauntings with Lake Mead, all the bodies being found. It's Native American land that was flooded when the Hoover Dam was built. There's just so much energy, so many different things going on. About a year ago, my brother and I went out there to do some investigation. Now, I didn't have very much equipment at the time. In fact, I didn't really have anything. I think we went with an EMF meter and one of the Spirit Talker apps, and I don't know what I thought we were gonna find, but so I always wanted to go back. And then I watched Ghost Adventures, and they went to the railroad tunnels. I'm like, no, that's my spot. Like, that was I thought of that spot. But anyway, Ghost Adventures went there, did a great job on the backstory, on some history. It's almost as if Ghost Adventures has better resources than I do. Weird. They went out and they did an investigation at Lake Mead and the railroad tunnels, and it was fantastic. And they had caught a couple crazy entities. One on the SLS and then one they caught on camera that is pretty unexplainable. They did a phenomenal job on that one. But after seeing that, after seeing Twin Paranormal out at Lake Mead and the Skinwalkers, I've been itching to go back with more equipment that I have. And then there's also been stories of human remains, of more than one, and they say these were homicides, and the remains were found inside the tunnel, and there were different remains found outside of the tunnels, but on that trail. That's where we're going tonight, so I hope you stay tuned and come with us. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, what is the matter with you? Please subscribe, it helps us out so much. To those of you that have taken the chance and subscribed, I know I don't get videos out as much as I want to. I work full time and all this stuff, but I'm trying to do more and more. Please pass the word along. Help me grow this channel, because I would love to do this full time and bring amazing videos and amazing stories, all that good stuff. Without further ado, please subscribe. It's free to do so. Hit the notifications bell so you know when we're posting anything, and please like the videos. It helps us get into that YouTube algorithm, and if we can do that, then I think the channel can really grow. But I need your help. Thank you guys for your support. Let's get to the video already. So it's about a half-mile walk down to the first tunnel from where we parked. I gotta say, everything about this night is creepy as it gets. I'm gonna try to show you some of this. You can see the sky and the moon. Then out here, this is Lake Mead out here on the other side of this cliff. That's the harbor, the marina. But I don't know what you're seeing on camera, but the clouds, and there's very weird mist going on. Anyway, it's just a creepy night to be here. So probably one of the scariest things out here is, I know you're not supposed to say the word, but the Skinwalkers. We're on Native American land that was flooded with Hoover Dam in the lake, and let's just say they've been known to be spotted out here, and it's really creepy. And the remains that were found were somewhere by this first tunnel, either out here before the tunnel or inside the first tunnel. So I'm starting to get creeped out. I'll probably put on the Necrometer or Spirit Talker app and see if anything wants to talk. But I don't know if they can see the freaking entrance of this tunnel on camera yet. But if you could see it at home, you would be pooping your pants right now. Chris just pooped in his. I squirted in mine a little bit. So I got some anxiety rolling right now. I'm a little nervous. I don't usually get that at any of our locations. If you've seen any of our videos, I don't really get too worked up or scared, and I didn't get that scared last time we were here, but I got all the creepy heebie-jeebie feelings right now, which is weird. As tough as I am and how I Rambo things, it's kind of weird. So look at the entrance of the tunnel. Oh, that's scary. Nice. Holy cow. All right, we're rolling. So because Ghost Adventures caught stuff in this first tunnel, and I think that that maybe portal is like right there where Zach was pointing, right where the light is. Remember, he had that like dark that dark spot. So I'm thinking maybe we want to set some stuff up in here, or we could wait till we're further down or on the way back.
Yeah.
But this is where he caught the figure, so I'm wondering if we just try a little bit right now and see what happens.
Yeah.
Dude, I just heard like this squeaky squeak. What the heck? Oh, there's a bat coming your way. A bat. Yeah. Dude, do you hear the bats? They're squeaking. Think? Yeah. Oh, there he goes. Dude, you don't hear the bats?
Yeah. Ooh, that's kind of freaky.
Yeah, he's way up in the... He's way up there. Sorry, Mr. Bat.
This keeps shutting off.
Does it?
Yeah.
That's weird. Yeah, just push the record button again, or? That kept happening to like them. All their equipment was like...
Ben did this with you?
Who?
Ben did this with you?
No, when Ghost Adventures was here, all their equipment kept like malfunctioning.
Yeah, dude, it's happened twice now.
So let me turn the Spirit Talker on.
Just went off again.
Really?
Yeah.
Now it's recording.
Okay. Whoa, that's creepy, those bats.
I know. They're freaking me out, dude.
Are they communicating to like...
Tell something to kill us. Hey, so my name's Nick.
I'm Chris.
Frequencies, yeah. It's my brother Chris. I don't know if you remember us from about a year ago, but we want to know what's here, either in these tunnels or outside these tunnels. We've heard a lot of different things. Agonizing. We hear that your remains were found in this tunnel and that you were murdered, and I bet it was agonizing. Is that what you're trying to tell us?
the bats? Squeaks?
Yeah.
Alright.
But there's ways you can let us know you're here. I have this yellow, it's called the REM pod, but if you touch this antenna, that yellow light will go and alarm. That side, there's a red one. Or you can come up to any of these balls on the ground and touch them, and they'll light up. That's really fun. Mourning. Are you still mourning your death? Do we need to go further, somewhere else in these tunnels? On the bed. The hell does that mean? Don't give us stupid answers, because that's stupid on the bed. Certain. I'm just kidding, by the way. What's up with the bats? Oof, that thing just took off. Dude, I just heard movement over there.
The bats aren't afraid to let us know they're here.
No, the bats are, I almost want to move along and leave the bats alone. On TV, I've seen different figures here. In fact, I'm going to pull up a little SLS app. I'll be honest, I don't know if these work. So, if you guys don't think it works, don't blast me in the comments. I'm not sure it works either, but just curious to see what, if we catch anything in here.
What's the LSF app?
It picks up figures, like stick figures. And it's got one on the wall up above you, dude. It's doing exactly what happened in Zach's video. Right into the abyss, the black abyss. Oh my gosh. Dude, you want to come look at this? Dude, where'd it go? It's gone now, but...
Oh, you just wanted to step on my head?
You see it?
Yeah.
He's up there on the roof, on the ceiling. I know where the bats are. Oh, and he's lower. Dude, it's not even mapping a figure, it's like mapping the whole... It keeps getting right up there. That's kind of, oh my gosh, that's freaky looking. Doesn't that look like some kind of demon on the ceiling right there? Right next to where that figure is mapping, like right there in the middle.
Oh, yeah.
It looks like a head and then black wings.
A large demon.
Because when you just look at the ceiling, you don't see that at all. I just realized I wasn't showing it on the camera at all.
I was trying to get it for you.
Right there. That's cray cray. Whoa, did you see that bat just fly through here? I think Dracula might be in here.
Sure.
I said we pick up the balls and the REM pods and we move along, huh? Before I get too scared. Oh! That just went off. Who's down there? Did you see the REM pod go off?
Yeah.
Somebody down there? You want to tell us your name or set that off again? I feel like all the bats stopped too, and then that went off. Like, did something come in here that the bats are like, uh-oh, time to go?
Yeah.
Can you set that off again, or what? Oh, that scared me, dude. Can you set that off again, or one of the balls? It said several entities.
Several entities? Oh,
You guys just all come in the tunnel? Is there a portal in this tunnel? Touch that again if there is. Do you feel like this is creepier than last time we were here? Yeah. That's a good point. All right, moving on. Dang, look at these wood posts. lights on the lake now. It's pretty wicked. I feel like there's no way they're gonna let us get away with just the first tunnel, so.
With the ghosts?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like you gotta get deeper where escape isn't so easy. If the name Donna's on this somewhere, I'm out. Oh, a haven for bats. Visual.
Oh, those are the kind of bats in there, huh?
Yeah, that thing's ugly as heck.
Mexican free-tail bat.
I wonder why we were so afraid of it. It's freaking nasty. That thing's nasty, man. If that thing would have got a fang in one of us. 2. So the number 2. Are you referring to me and Chris? There's 2 of us? Oh, what am I saying? This is tunnel 2. And it said 2 right when I'm about to enter. And it said dead bodies. Is this where the dead bodies were found? Tunnel 2? Dude, it said 2 as we're going in tunnel 2. Dude, that kind of gave me the chills. I'm so dumb, I didn't even get it at first. Is it because there's 2 of us? Oh. I got you, tunnel 2. Dead bodies. As long as there ain't bats, I'm cool. Yellow one? Dude, go off again.
So if it goes off, it means there's energy close to it?
Yeah, if something gets close to it, like I'll show you, it goes off. So what it does is that antenna, it sets off its own electromagnetic field around it.
Yeah.
So if anything breaks that field, that alarm goes off. Whoa, dude, I'm putting the other REM pod right in here and the other cat balls. And I got something else for you.
I got the camera on you in case you die.
Okay, perfect. Then we'll see it. Hey. That ain't me, Chris. I'm not close enough.
Let's see if I can capture something on video.
Dude, this is not me. Who's here? So, here, if anyone walks in front of this, you'll get a round of applause. Dude, that thing is going, that's not me, dude. Go off again. Of course you won't. Dude. Oh, and something over there. These never go off. These never go off. Yeah. Okay, who's down there? Who's at the end of this Connex? Dude,
Did you say 7? Or Satan?
Heaven.
Oh.
In case you missed the introductions, I didn't put this down. In case you missed the introductions before, my name's Nick. My brother Chris over there.
Hello.
We just want to know that you're here. We want to know why. We don't mean any harm. We're not here to hurt anybody. But if you walk in front of this, the doorbell will go off. If you touch this, that alarm will go off. Touch one of the balls, they'll light up. And then you already know over there how to work that stuff. So who's here with us? Can you tell me this? Are there any Skinwalkers? It said heaven, ball, shoes. Ball, it said ball. Is whatever's here, did you leave? Can you set that REM pod off again?
The one I'm pointing my flashlight at.
Yes, I'm here.
Yes, I'm here. Who's here? It got really quiet all of a sudden, like still. Oof. It's on that side now, behind us.
Calm before the storm.
Can you light that up again? Let me ask you this. If you're the human body that was found in here, if that was you were murdered, light up the yellow antenna over here. If that's not who you are, light up the red one over there. You should be either or. So, so you should light one of them up.
There's only two answers to choose from. So you were a
Do it.
nobody, huh? Shouldn't have said that.
Bring out two flashlights now. See if they want to play the flashlight game. Dude, right as I'm about to go in there, he's like, don't come in here.
Flaky.
That's what I felt. Like he's like, nope. Like a warning. Flaky.
Thank you.
You're flaky. Can I come in? Just grabbing a couple flashlights out of my bag. Oh boy.
What did it say?
He doesn't like me going over there. 30 and then snow. 2 words that make 0 sense. Okay, man. Do you not want me to go through here? Is that why you kept setting that off? If you don't want us here, I was just going to say set either one of them off. And it goes off behind you, dude. Something's behind you.
Oh dear. You got the stick figure on me?
No? You want me to take that out?
Sure. There's
It
one.
said stat.
Stat?
You were murdered.
Something's small.
Something's following you.
Shit.
Yeah, what is it? Can you tell us?
Is it following me or Nick?
I think it's following both of us.
Oh. Well,
I don't think he meant like always, I think he just meant right now.
yeah.
Oh man, you don't want me to go any further. Oh! Did you knock that over?
Oh, snaps.
Dude, that thing is still going off, man. Something does not want us to go through there.
Oh my gosh.
What up?
I just saw a shadow on here.
Oh no.
I mean, how would... Yeah, it was pointing this way. So it couldn't have been anything but... It was definitely a human.
Hey,
I wonder...
you got on the other camera?
I don't know.
Dude, what the? Did you hear that?
No. What did it say?
No, it was like metal, like it sounded like a door got pushed over. It sounded like something stomped in there. Dude, that's not cool. Dude, that was scary. I can't tell. I can't believe you can hear that.
Follower.
You're a follower. We can use the red one for no and the silver one for yes, but I need to make sure you know how to turn them on and off. Hellhound? Dude, that sounds like the coyote skinwalker that's known to be out here at the lake.
Oh yeah?
The hellhound. Dude, okay. Stop! Oh, F! Something knocked that out of my hand. Doll. Dude, why is it going off? It just it's over again. Dark side. Not cool. Not cool.
Outside.
Outside, like outside the tunnel. Do you want us to go outside? Woo. So we've got a shadow, we've got all kinds of things going off down in Who's down there? How come you set it off every time I turn my back? Boom, Chris said it, not me.
Spiritus.
Spiritus. It's not even a word. Spiritus isn't a word, dum-dum.
Attached.
Attached. attach. I forgot to tell you guys, you're not allowed to attach to either one of us. Good, nobody can turn these flashlights on or what? Sure. Sure, turn them on.
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock's to the left. I always think they're giving me directions when they say 9 o'clock or whatever. You wanna go to tunnel 3?
It's 11:30. Yeah, let's go to tunnel 3.
All right, we're gonna go to tunnel 3. If you guys wanna come with us, you can. That's not saying you can attach to us. That's saying you can go to the next tunnel with us. Section, yeah, the next section. Very good. Can you tell me what tunnel we're going to now? So here's tunnel 3. Coming right up on it. I want to see how far. I don't know if we're going to make it all the way through here tonight because my knees hurt. I think we did all 5. I think we went through all 5 of them. All right, what tunnel are we at?
Trying to possess you.
Trying to possess me?
Oh my god.
Who is?
That ain't cool.
What is? If you're trying to possess me, you can at least tell me who you are.
That ain't really cool.
Yeah, it ain't working, is it?
So bats are in the first cave.
Yeah. Bats or ravens? Maybe they shapeshifted into ravens and back to bats.
Jonathan.
Jonathan. That's your middle name. In case you forgot. You getting personal with names here? I don't know. Maybe we just set up again and see what's here and go the other. Oh, dude, look at the ceiling right there. I almost saw like a pentagram up there, but it's not. It's these things drilled into the stone. Interesting. Well, we got another box, so we could do this. We could give these 2 cameras a rest, and we could turn on the 2 night vision ones.
All right.
And then it would be all dark in here. Let's set the stuff up and then let's do that. Just why not, right? Might as well try it. Something. Dream. Should I put it in this thing again? Whoa! That's not even facing me. What's behind me? Holy cow. Yo. I just say if we're gonna do this, let's pull out all the tricks, man. And did you hear all that? Is that rain? It's gotta be rain, right? Oh boy. First I thought something was like walking around in there. Vision on this one. Oh, cat ball behind us, dude. We didn't even see it. And flashlights on too. Dude, we gotta pay attention. Can you turn that flashlight back off? please?
Someone's in here with us, I do believe.
Wow. It's like they're toying with us, like they waited till we weren't even paying attention.
Playing with us?
Who's here messing around with us?
Can you turn the flashlight off?
Night vision. Oh, dude, what was that noise? Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Oof. Dude. If it wasn't for that flashlight being on. Oh my gosh. All right, so we went lights out to see if anyone wants to communicate this way. Guess you didn't hear us before at the other tunnels. My name's Nick.
And my name's Chris.
And we're here just to see what's in these tunnels or who's in these tunnels. What you're doing here.
Why you're still lingering around here?
Yeah, if you don't mind talking with us, that'd be fantastic. Can you turn the flashlight back off? Whoever turned that flashlight on, can you turn it back off? You can touch any of those antennas or touch any of the balls on the ground to let us know you're here. Or don't. Either way. Or you can turn the flashlight off by tapping it, or go to the other side and turn that one off. So who's here with us?
Turn back.
Turn back. Is there something we should be afraid of?
It's rainy.
How come we should turn back? A little light going.
Haunted land.
Haunted land?
Yeah, haunted land.
Yeah. That's why we're here. We want to communicate.
Yeah, we're here to see who's here and why it's haunted. It's pouring.
See if we can be any assistance to anybody. Or you want to make yourself known? Now's your chance.
Let us know who's here. Why should we turn back? We'll actually probably listen to you. Keep looking. Looking for what? Got all these balls to play with. Dude, it's pouring out here.
Dude, there's a light going off behind the flashlight.
Did you hear that?
Yeah,
What was that?
I thought that was you.
What were you saying?
There's a light going off behind that flashlight that I can only see on this.
What?
Yeah.
Dude, that scared me bad. Okay, I know you don't want me to keep coming. That's why you're setting that off. That's me. That's me. Why should we turn back?
Is there something that we should be aware of?
That's not me, dude. I'm not close enough. Oh my gosh. Cat ball behind you. Holy moly. Who's here? Talk to us.
See that you're here.
It's like every time I try to get a little closer, it goes off. That cat ball's still going off. Oh, it just shut off. Dude. Yo. Okay, that's probably me, maybe. Okay. Talk to us. I want to know why we're supposed to turn back. And why is that flashlight still on. It's like whatever's here doesn't really want to talk.
Yeah, they won't say much.
We know they're here. Too many cat balls and alarms have gone off. Maybe you'll talk to us by changing the frequencies in this radio. I don't know. Oh, dude, I'm losing battery over here.
Happy. Let's get this cat ball on again. Whoever turned that cat ball on.
Why won't you let us know who you are? Dude, that was a big noise over there. Dude, that was a big noise over there.
Yeah, what the hell was that? Samantha? Was it Samantha?
Samantha, is that you?
Oh, what? Move south. South is that way, right? Because I wasn't really seeing anything. Turn that flashlight back off. Yeah, it's coming down. Oh my gosh, dude. Dude, come down here. Alright, I hear you. Every time I get close, you don't like it. Oh! It is pouring. Dude, we should get out of here before we get flash flooded, swept out through here. Oh, I just saw a cat ball. Wait, what? What is happening? It's chaos! Dude! Whoa! Dude! Alright, my Mead, you want us to leave? I think they want us to leave. Not sure I see any reason to keep messing around with this.
Okay, it's raining. This is the big walk too, right? Between 3 and 2? Dang. Yeah, dude, it's coming down now. It's probably good we're getting out of here. Look how much water's already collecting. Do you hear that? Yeah. Oh! Can you imagine being stuck between these two tunnels? There's nowhere to go. I know what you and I would do. We would climb, try to climb over it, and we'd get stuck. Or we would just fall. Gotta love it, baby. Whatever. Dang! It's getting harder and harder. YouTube, see what we do for you? I should have more than 100 subscribers for this.
Yeah.
I know I have 104, but I should have more than that. just want to get monetized so I can stop working my real job. Is that so much to ask? Here we go. This is a pretty short walk though. All right, we're headed to Tunnel 1. Trying to get out of the rain. At this point, we're just soaked anyway. All right, bats, we're back. So this is where the bats were, right up here, right?
Yeah.
There they are.
I wonder why they're just in the first tunnel.
They're trying to warn you to not go down there. But since we just Rambo everything, we're not going to listen. Well, this last little bit to the car is going to suck because it's all uphill and it's wet. And I'm out of shape. I know I don't look like that on camera, guys, but confession, not in the greatest shape right now. It's a slushy walk. Find a way. We're just gonna stay on the path. Find a way. That works. If that's cool with you. Yeah, we are going up to the hotel. This path leads to the hotel where we're parked. I don't know why I'm still recording. So we had to take off a little early. We're not sure what's down here, but something was down there for a while. But it started raining really hard, and this is the last place you want to be in a flash flood. So, in conclusion, something was in there. It was toying with us. It didn't want to really talk to us, didn't really want us there. So I don't have a lot of answers, just something's in the tunnels. Now like and subscribe, please. Subscribe, it's free. Do it. Now, bye. If I keep looking at the camera, I'm gonna fall off the cliff. You don't believe me? Look how close I am. Did you hear that? What? Leave this place. Like, this place is bullshit. That was hilarious. That was perfect timing too. Under vacancy signs, there's no one beside you when your soul embarks. Then I'll follow you into the dark.